Got my main guy here, Oscar Ramos. You know how this is, Oscar. It takes a minute for it to get out there in the algorithm. People find it. But what's going on, guys? We're going to get in here, get into the markets, see what's happening, see what's going on. What are the top stories, top meme coins running? Me and Oscar just degened into one. We just degened into one. We'll see what happens. It's coming down now, of course.
Really? Oh, baby.
3-7 now.
Hey,
this is support, right? Right here, right?
I have to do, and not really much worth it to do TA on a meme coin, especially this early, but
Yeah.
it's
Exactly.
whatever you can afford losing, always.
100%. 100%. All right, guys, what's going on, everybody? What's happening? What's happening? Good morning. Good morning.
Good evening, good afternoon.
What's happening? What's happening, guys? Kendu and Mega to $1 billion. What do you think about Moocat on Sol? Don't know about Moocat. Ondo, baby. Yes. Big Ondo fan. What's Ondo doing? Let's see. Oh, Ondo's up to $1.33. Let's go, baby. Alex, you're making money on Ondo. Ondo, baby. Ondo is sending right now, actually. Told you guys. Let's go. Ondo's hitting all-time highs right now. Ondo is hitting all-time highs. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Where is all your furniture? This is not my house. So, I don't know.
Well, yeah, Ondo's doing well.
We're still in Austin, Texas, guys. Yeah, Ondo looks phenomenal, guys. Amazing. Ondo is getting close to a $2 billion market cap right now. 1.8 billion. The leader in RWA. So actually, we were at a pool party last night. Me, Oscar, my buddy Alex, at the JW Marriott. I don't know if you know this. The one guy I was talking to works for Anchorage Digital, one of the huge players in Ondo. So if you go to Ondo Finance's website, yeah, he works for Anchorage Digital. So if you look at all the Ondo ecosystem is supported by a diverse range of institutional and crypto native partners and service providers. You got BlackRock, you've got Coinbase, Morgan Stanley, Injective. Here's Anchorage Digital right here. He works for these guys. Crazy.
Phenomenal.
So he said he really likes Ondo as kind of the retail play. A lot of people like it. They're a really solid team, works with them individually. So that's what you get coming to these conferences, guys. You get like that really
This is alpha
solid
insight.
alpha. Yeah, like
Yeah, it's just, you just need it. Sometimes you need some conviction, and when you talk to these whales, it's like, okay, if they believe it, they're not panicking.
Exactly.
They're not looking at the charts. They're just
right.
making it happen.
Right, exactly. And like you have that conviction already, but then it just further gives you like that feeling.
Look, we look at charts all day.
Yeah.
We look at news stories all day. So
Sometimes it's a bad thing.
And that's a bad thing too.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I'm not looking at what's going on every single day on other different subjects, but we do this because we love it, and that affects us.
100%, 100%. But yeah, it was good talking to somebody like him because, and I asked him, I said, do you think Ondo can get to 10 billion? That would be like a 5X from here, a little bit more than 5X. He's like, oh yeah. In this cycle? Oh yeah. Yeah, the meme coin is FJB. People already know about it. That's good. Yeah, FJB. Of course, it's selling off like crazy. I love the idea. Now, Oscar and I were just looking at it. There are some big whales in this FJB token, but it's interesting. It's super memeable, and I mean, these political meme tokens have been pumping here. Let me show you. It's at a 1.74 million right now. We just got in at 2 million, so Oscar and I are down on our investment right now. We got in like right here, and it dripped down already, but you never know, right? Complete degen play. I love the memeability of this though, like FJB, right? Like this could be something that sticks. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Of course, we've got Donald Trump, we've got Joe Biden. Those are some OG political memes. There's been, I don't know how many Donald Trump memes already go to 20 million plus. It's crazy. It's crazy. What about audio? Can you guys not hear me? Or Audius? Are you asking about Audius, the crypto? We talked to this guy, Darren, last night. How about Darren? That was unbelievable. I mean, the amount of, he's got some alpha on a project, Helios. Hasn't launched yet. This project called Helios, guys. Look into this one. I'm going to give you guys some alpha on this. So we were hanging out at a pool last night. This is one me and Oscar are definitely going to be looking into. HIO token. It's coming soon. It's not out yet. Look into what they're doing. The future of music streaming for creators by creators on Solana. Really interesting what they're doing with royalties, the trickle down effect of basically anybody who puts it on their playlist, you're going to get residual income over time. Basically decentralizing the music industry, which needs to be done because it's such a centralized industry. If you talk to enough musicians, you don't even have to talk to enough of them, talk to a few of them, they'll all tell you the same thing about how centralized the industry is and how much they're beholden to the big record companies, right? So, it sucks. We were the last to know about these coins. No, man, listen, there's tons that I don't even know about. There's so many. Don't think you're late. Don't think you missed it. And if you're hearing this one 2 days late, there's going to be another one tomorrow and another one and another one and another one. Like, don't feel like you have to chase every one, guys. I mean, you have to put yourself in good position, though. You have to network. You have to be in the right circles. Don't try to do it by yourself, right? And even then, like, we don't see every single thing that's going on, right? Like, for instance, Oscar and I didn't get into Jenner. We missed the boat. We let it fly by. It's okay. There's going to be something else and something else and something else. Don't feel like you have to chase. What do you think about Jasmine pumping? I love it. I own some. My guy here, Oscar's got a really strong position. They just started a couple of days ago. Looking brilliant on that trade.
It just helps, man. I mean, at the end of the day, I knew about Jasmine and the IoT functions that they deliver, Japanese Bitcoin, and not really the know-it-all on Jasmine, but it's a company that just deserves, I believe, to be in a much stronger position. But it's already in the top 100. It was 59, and can it go higher? I mean, all my Jasmine community is gonna tell me absolutely. So I'm holding, not financial advice. I think it could do big things, and I'm just not worried, right? I mean, just enjoying it.
Are they confirmed with the Apple partnership? Somebody's asking.
My recollection, no.
Okay, not confirmed yet.
Yes, but I haven't really seen anything from the official X or Hada. But I mean, there's probably some people who have deeper Apple.
Yeah, a lot of people saying they like Jasmine at 10x even from current prices. I think there's a lot to like about it, for sure. There's a lot to like about it. You talked about Dogeverse. Do you think it could 100x? I never banking on a pre-sale meme coin to 100x. Now, it could happen. We saw it happen with Smog. We saw it happen with Slathana. But those are the exceptions, right? Like usually on a pre-sale meme token, I'm trying to like 2 to 3x my money. And when that happens, get that initial investment out. Okay, and then from there you create your plan. You create your profit-taking plan. To me, anywhere from like 3 to 5x on the pre-sale meme coins, it's a good return. I personally have had more success on the non-pre-sale meme coins. I'll invest in them. I'll throw $300 at them and try to get that 3 to 5x, at least get my basis back. But I've had more success on the fair launches, right? Ones that I've just kind of found early that didn't have a pre-sale. And just kind of came to market. So that's just personally my take on it. Let's see. What do you think about Play Doge? Thanks. Great content as always. Oscar just did one on Play Doge. I haven't made a video about them. I haven't been contacted. We'll see. Maybe I'm going to look at it. I've heard about it a little bit, so we'll see. But same thing with Play Doge. 3 to 5x is good, guys. Don't try to hit 100x on all of these. Any return is a good return. Yeah, 100%, Wolf. I'm banking on 1,000x with Money Man. Hey, listen, I like Money Man. I'm in the pre-sale. It's going to be on ETH. I'm invested, Wolf. We'll see what happens, brother. I'm ready. What do you think about Pikamoon? I'll tell you what, they spend a ton of money. I'm curious to see when gaming, that whole narrative comes back around, if they can be one of the solid plays. The gaming sector has really been quiet. It's really been quiet, but I do think it'll come back around. I think it'll be a big part of this bull run. Should bring a lot more new people into the space too. Ondo just hit price discovery mode. Oh baby, I know.
Ooh, nice.
I know. Ondo looks really, really good. Let's go. This Notcoin has been crushing it on the Ton blockchain. It's now in the top 70. This not coin is now up 146% in the last 7 days.
I
Crazy.
wouldn't be surprised that because of Don success, whatever gets built with, I mean, just great projects, right?
Yeah.
From that blockchain, they do decent. And there's a community that supports, because if the price is going up, it's because people are buying into it.
Yeah.
Not necessarily it's because there's something big going on, but because there's something always big going on with many different projects. But they're buying it.
Oscar's YouTube is just
nice.
Oscar Ramos. So make sure you guys follow him there and subscribe. Oscar Ramos. Ramos.
Keep it short and easy, as always.
Make sure you guys subscribe. Chainlink's up 5%. Jasmy's pumping, still up 16%. I think Chainlink is going to be a really good play too, guys. Long term here. Pepe and Floki moving, and so is Whiff. Pepe, Floki, Whiff all up a little over 3% respectively. Let's see. It's pretty quiet here today, but we do have some stuff happening. Let's see in the small cap space what we got cooking. Mumu on Solana looks really good right now. Mumu, M-U-M-U. We've talked about this one in the past. I think we talked about this at around a 20 mil market cap. They're getting close to all-time highs, guys. Close to a 60 mil market cap. Mumu on Sol, M-U-M-U. The VSG token, layer 2, looking nice. Back up to almost 10 million right now. Nice little bounce back day. Up 17%, so that's nice. Where is Brett? 950 million, guys, on Brett. Setting all-time highs right now. Oh. Brett is sending right now, guys. Yep, Brett is sending.
Wow, bro.
950 mil market cap. It's going to hit $1 billion here sooner rather than later.
Crash is right.
Crash is a genius when it comes to meme coin trading, huh?
And there's some wealth definitely pushing in, so exciting to
Great
see.
volume, 1.53 million. I'll tell you what, I'm holding some of this Tucker Carlson. I like it, man. Look at this, 74 million market cap. Tucker Carlson.
Meme coins, brother.
Tucker. Zach, ask Oscar about Jasmy's PDL locker tech.
Oh yeah, say luck up. Not haven't done my due diligence on that. I'll put a note right here.
This is Tucker Carlson, guys. 74 mil. I like it. I like it. I like it. Now, if you guys don't know about Brett's girlfriend, Britt, this is kind of interesting. Do you know about Britt? This is Brett's girl. I made a trade on this one. I think there could be legs here too eventually. So it's only got a 2.65 million market cap. This is Brett's girlfriend, Britt. I love it. So yeah, Brett looks good. Myro's been sneaky good too, guys. 266 mil. Look at this chart though. Myro's kind of becoming an OG on Solana here. Launched in November of last year. So it's been around. One thing we look for is consistent volume over time. We know it's been around since November last year, still over 1 million in volume. 52,000 holders for Myro. I think this is another candidate. Myro and Ponky, I think, could both reach $1 billion. What about Iggy's mother? So yeah, that one I missed. And just not touching it. I don't even know where it's at. I kind of do want to look at the chart, though. Mother Iggy. Is it up 219%? Is this it? Dude, is this it? 56 million market cap?
Not sure, brother.
Oh my gosh.
Could be the one that they've been talking about, maybe not.
I think this would be it. I mean, crazy, man. Hey, congrats to everybody making money on it.
There you go.
Zach, look at Andy. I know about Andy. It's in that whole Pepe, Brett kind of space. I've heard about it. Definitely. Hey, the Crypto Alliance needs to get you into their community. You know about the Crypto Alliance? Their Twitter spaces at night and stuff?
No.
We got to get you in there. And you need to take a look at Money Man. Pre-sale meme token on Ethereum right now.
Oh, I see. That's what.
What's that? Oh, okay.
Yeah, that makes sense. Got it.
Guys, this is some more alpha here. Okay, I like this one a lot. This is on base. This is Toshi. 166 million. We're going to have some other cryptos that join Brett in the ranks to $1 billion on base. We talked about this one 3 days ago at 100 mil on the pullback. We said it was at support. Looks really, really solid here. Look at the bounce here on Toshi right now at 166 mil. Really good volume. They too have been around since November 2023. Junior, thank you so much for the $10 super chat, brother. Thank you for the invite last night. Which blue chip would you buy? XRP, HBAR. XRP or HBAR? I hold a little bit of both of those, not a ton though. I'm not real big into either one. There's just, in my opinion, some faster horses. Little less risk too. It's just my opinion there. How about AI? Yeah, I love a lot of AI plays. Render, Injective, and then the new ASI token, which is coming out, the middle of this month. Today's June 1st, so the middle of this month. Is it too late for Jasmine? I do not think so, no. Do you invest in AMC? I traded it back in whenever that was, 2021 a little bit or whatever, but I have not been doing anything with it lately. Can you speak on it for a few minutes? Thank you. Yeah, there you go, Junior. I did trade GameStop, what was it, 2 weeks ago or whatever? Just made a couple little trades. Didn't make a ton, but made a little bit, and it was fun just being part of the movement. Yeah, Ondo is pumping, guys. Ondo's going. Yeah, this is price discovery, baby. Come on, Ondo. I think what I was reading yesterday, we could have a line all the way up to about $1.50. Let's see here. Whew. This thing is pumping. Yeah, this is the Ondo chart, guys. So as you guys can see, XT Algo, trading indicator, called it 4 hours ago. We're up 6% 4 hours ago. From $1.27, basically flagged it and said breakout imminent. And we got it. So AI Wool said HBAR. I like HBAR. It's just not a fast mover. Like, I'll tell you this, guys. I hold a lot of Cardano, and I like Cardano, but I'm definitely a little over leveraged in Cardano. And when we get back up to like 80, 90 cents, I'm going to be taking a lot more profits than I thought I would this time last year, right? And that's okay to like change your opinion on things, change your outlook on things, especially when you have new information, you have new cryptos you want to buy. Honestly, when Cardano just hit 80 something cents or whatever in March, I wish I would have taken some profits. I've got a really strong position there. My average cost is like 50 cents. But it's not fast right now. It's not a fast mover. And there's so many other things to love about the market right now, whether it's Jasmine or Ondo or Pepe or Whiff or insert sexy crypto altcoin here, right? And that's kind of what the topic here is with altcoins. I think altcoin season is starting. So I want to have a lot of capital deployed to some of these new altcoins, right? People love to chase the new shiny object. I love Chainlink, for example. I don't have enough Link. Personally, I want to stack more Chainlink. I want more of the OG memes. I want more Whiff. I want more Pepe ahead of this bull run. I want more Floki. And I think these are going to be faster horses than Cardano, right? And I like Cardano. It's not that I don't. But even look at like Dogecoin. Would you rather hold Dogecoin or Cardano right now? What do you think? That's a tough one. Which crypto could you buy short term? I mean, what's your goal, right? Like, I don't know what it is. What is it you're trying to accomplish? Trying to make 10%? Are you trying to double your money? Like, there's a lot of info that you need there to kind of make that make sense. FJB short term. I'm hoping so, man. It's very memeable. It's got good volume, 525K. So if you guys are just checking in, we're looking at this FJB. It's on day 2. FJB, I mean, hilarious. Almost at a 2 million again. Me and Oscar just got in at 2 million. Look, there's no guarantees, but I love the idea. I love the meme. We'll see. AI Wolf said he's stacking the link up every Friday. Nice. Yeah, you know what? I like VeChain, but same thing, man. You know, I just think there's going to be a lot of faster horses right now. So, like, do I want to sit there and put my money in VeChain and wait? Or do I want to catch something that is hot right now? Like, you've got the ASI token in the AI sector coming up in mid-June. I want some of that for sure, right? I think AI is going to be a huge narrative. I think RWA is going to be a big narrative. I think gaming is going to have a big run. These are the sectors, I think, within the altcoin market that can really give us big returns. So I'm constantly going back into my portfolio and repositioning myself, right? And you have to be careful to not do that a lot, right? Because there is some element to like just buy and hold. And I do that with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Caspa, some of these top projects that I really, really just like in general for the long term. But then there are some where, hey, I'm up a little bit. I've got some new information. I'm going to take some profits from over here. Understand that, yeah, I got to pay capital gains tax and all of that, account for all of that, and then rotate that capital, you know? And so I don't think you have to pick one strategy or the other, right? Don't sleep on Dogelon Mars. No, I like Elon. Ticker symbol Elon. I like that. When is the bull run? I think we're in it, brother. Just not peak. It's just not peak yet. I'm stacking link up. Nice. Reddick Finance. Very interesting project. We did a review for them. Let's see where they are on the charts. Yeah, I like Reddick a lot. 159 mil market cap. The chart does not look great, but I believe they had a pre-sale. I was not in it, but a lot of times this is, this is what you see. They launched on March 21st. Yeah, that's Oscar, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe.
Keep it up.
But yeah, Reddick, looks like a lot of the pre-salers are selling off, but you'll have this early on, right? The real test is a few months down the line. Once the pre-sellers have gotten out, taken their profits, what happens next, right? Ooh, Kendu Inu making a run, guys. Kendu Inu up 14% again today, trying to make a run at an all-time high right now. 57 million market cap. Where's Kendu? Is Kendu in the house? Where are you guys at? Oscar just walked outside. He's probably coming back in a minute. Kendu looks great right now, man. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Guys, make sure you do subscribe to the channel too. I know a lot of new people popping on here. Make sure you do subscribe. Hit that 3 little dots too. Hit the like button. Only 34 likes, but we got like 400 people with us. So would be much appreciated. Oscar is hungover. No, not. I don't think so. But yeah, we're getting close to another milestone on the subscriber list. So welcome to all the new people. Appreciate you guys. Kendu gonna run. It looks really, really strong right now. XRP, please. Listen, my take on XRP has not changed. They have some of the best, if not the best, utility in all of crypto. They're very centralized though, and that's okay. I invest in some other centralized cryptos. You can argue that Bitcoin's centralized now with ETFs. The problem with XRP, it's that same argument. There are faster horses right now. So how much money do I want to allocate toward XRP when you see things like Ondo and Jasmine and Pepe running like absolutely, absolutely crazy, right? So there's just that element of where are the faster horses and how much money do I really want to sit there and wait on XRP if and when they get past the lawsuit, which I think they will. But like, there's no timetable. We're playing the long game with XRP, so it's not something I think you get into with a short-term mindset. If you love XRP, think long-term, right? I don't think really think in these next few months, okay? So it just kind of depends on where your head's at, what your goals are. Are you trying to make money in the next month or two and take profits, or are you trying to hold for the next 12 to 15, Golden Cross on Dogecoin, LFG, nice. Jasmine fam, what's up? Yeah, Jasmine looks great. Jasmine looks great. Definitely looks good. Welcome in, everybody. All the new folks here. Kendu's going to be amazing in the bull run. Looks really good right now. Let's see. What else do we got here? We've talked about this USA coin for a little while. They're at 50 mil on Solana. Pulled back from about 100 mil. This whole political sector is interesting. TokenFi looking good today, up 5+%, 71 mil market cap. I like it. TokenFi looks great. Jasmy 0.05 in June. I mean, on this pace, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Looks good. Looks good. Land Wolf on base. I've heard about it. It's interesting. Brett is going parabolic right now, man. Love it, love it, love it. Brett is at 950 mil. We're going to hit $1 billion here soon, right? Got to. Phantom's another one. I loved it back in 2021. Not as much now. There's other horses, man. And like people were like, "Oh, Zach, you're flip-flopping around." Like, hell yeah, I am. You learn new things, and you adjust, you adapt, right? You don't just hold on to something, just because, in hopes that it'll come back. If you learn new information or you like something else better, it is okay to, cut your losses sometimes and or take some profits, diversify, get in something that you'd like better, right? And have a goal with that. Myro will make millionaires. It probably already has, but yeah, I like Myro. What about the young Peasy on base? I've heard about it. Is it still doing good? So this morning, the big topics here, guys. This Not coin is not slowing down. We've got Jasmy and Ondo and Chainlink, 3 that I own. They're all up there. Pepe's moving a little bit this morning. And then we've got some good plays as well. Memecoin plays that are looking good. And some blue chip, lower cap altcoin plays that are looking good too. Etherscan just crashed. No way to tell how many holders. On which one, Mr. Real? Which one are you talking? Like just in general? Guys, make sure you do subscribe down below. Totally free to do that. Hit that subscribe button for us. If you guys like content, we're here every single day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, people. There's EMAC to support this great info. My brother, thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you. What is your opinion about BitGert, B-Rise coin? I don't like exchange tokens, honestly, other than BNB and Kronos, because they have blockchains. So those are the only 2 exchange tokens that I would personally own, and I own both of them. I own a little bit of BNB, and I own more Crow than BNB, just because I think the upside is huge with where the market cap is on Kronos. But those are the only exchange tokens that I would personally buy because they actually have something backing it, right? That's just, that's my 2 cents. Do you feel L2s will explode as well as altcoins once ETH ETFs go live? Kind of like what happened when Bitcoin ETFs went live. Punk, great question. I love anything and everything attached to Ethereum right now. And, it might take a little while for these ETFs to be completely, through. We could have, up to a month here probably until they're all through and all the paperwork's official and all of that. So yeah, if you're looking at L2s, obviously you got the top ones. Polygon's been underperforming, but I do think it'll do well eventually. But they've got a lot of competition now. So look into Arbitrum, look into Optimism, look into some of the smaller cap ones like a VSG that I like. Obviously, you've got Shibarium. They don't have their own token, but the SHIB ecosystem. There's a lot of really solid L2s. And then obviously you have Base. They don't have their own token yet, but Base tokens, I think, will pump as well. Anything and everything attached to Ethereum, I think, is going to do well. Keep in mind the two largest ERC20 cryptos, and I think that whole sector's obviously interesting, but you've got SHIB and Pepe there, you know. I'll sub right now if you tell me your thoughts on XYO and Seller. Matthew, I don't own either one right now. Those are my thoughts. ETH and everything surrounding it will have a great year. I agree, Casey. Gone B, Cardano. Still like Cardano, but damn, it's frustrating, isn't it? And this is coming from somebody who loves Hoskinson, love what's, you know, but it's hard. I mean, it's hard when you see all these other projects moving faster. I'm still holding Cardano. I still believe in them long term. It's a long-term play for me. Still like them. But definitely it's becoming a play that I'm not adding on to right now. I've already built up a really strong position. It's not one I'm strategically adding, even though I don't think it's a bad time to under 50 cents. I'm just kind of over leveraged a little bit already in Cardano, so I'm kind of, you know, just hanging in there and waiting for the moves. I have some SNEC on Cardano. I do like SNEC, yeah. I do like SNEC. Notcoin seems mysterious, very, right? And this whole Telegram blockchain does. Toncoin, now Notcoin. Yeah, it's it feels like a lot of people just like, did we all just miss Toncoin? I know I did. I mean, it's okay. You know. Bro, can you see another way to check the holders of Jasmy accurately? Bro, you are going on and on about this. Okay, let me see here. You are very concerned about this right now, my friend. Not giving it up. Etherscan under maintenance till midnight. Okay, like I mean, is this going to deter you from investing? Like, what are you trying to get here? Like, their holders are growing. Okay, let's see. Okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Yeah, usually you have this data. Hold on, maybe they might have some in analytics. Sometimes they have it under analytics. Let's see. So that's that is like, yeah, it doesn't show right now how many holders they have. You're right. They're getting ready to do something. They didn't want you to know. I don't think, Mr. River, I think you're thinking too much into this, brother. Don't overthink it. I'm trying to find it another way for you, though. Let's see. Jasmy coin. Okay, so according to this, Etherscan's working for me, looks like. 69,864 holders. Zach, please, bonk, WTF. Sounds like somebody needs bonk to go up. I like bonk, man. Long term here, yeah.
I told him Oscar to put Jose.
How'd they spell it?
Jose.
Jose? You look like a Jose.
What?
They were like, you're not an Oscar, you're a Jose.
I was like, Oscar. Who knows? Why is this always happening to me?
Jasmy is the Japanese version of Bitcoin. Yeah, that's it. That's their narrative.
Right. Okay.
Isn't Jasmy hooking up with Apple? That's the rumor. What are your thoughts for Dogelon Mars? Very interesting. Where are we at with Dogelon? Like 120 mil or something like that? Not a lot of people are talking about it. It's listed on crypto.com though. I know it got listed on Gemini. There were some, remember back in 2021, it was kind of out of nowhere. They got listed on some top exchanges. So they're at 116 mil market cap. This is Elon, ticker symbol Elon, Dogelon Mars. I mean, it's way down from its all-time high still, which is beautiful, right? Down 99% from its all-time high. So there's value there. There's still good volume. Over 2 million in volume today. So, yeah, I like it. Jasmine created Apple? I don't know about that. Thoughts on ACH, Alchemy Pay? Yeah, they were here today, or they were here at Consensus this year, Alchemy Pay. Actually stopped by their booth. You know, I had, you were big on Alchemy Pay for a while too.
Years ago, yes.
Back in 2021. AMP, Alchemy Pay.
Token, Ampera was there. Tyler Sparling was there too, actually. It was pretty cool to see him.
I had, who was
I
there?
have some AMP token. I'm still holding that.
I still have some Alchemy Pay.
Yeah.
It's just, it's not a fast mover right now, but their tech is great. What they're doing is great for the space. I had John Tan, their CEO, on a couple times on the channel.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, he was cool. I do own a little bit of Spell token, Diendo. I do. Not a ton, but I own a little bit. Love Ondo, Scotty. Yeah, we've been talking about that one since it's 75 cents. So we've basically almost doubled our investment. And that was not very long ago, brother. We were at 73 cents 15 days ago, 2 weeks ago. We went from 73 cents to $1.33 on Ondo in 2 weeks. Not bad. Went from just under $1 billion to 1.8 billion. I like Crow. We just talked about that. I own Crow and BNB in terms of exchange tokens. Other than that, I don't want any other exchange tokens. Why? These are actually blockchains, right? They actually give more value and utility, and they have an ecosystem. I own more Crow than BNB. Smaller market cap, bigger opportunity to grow, gain market share. So that's my take on that. I do own a little bit of BNB, not a ton, probably like $4,000 worth or something. I don't even know how much that is, like 6 BNB, 7 BNB, something like that. White Boy Summer. I heard that's a token on Solana, right? White Boy Summer. Guys, if you could, hit the like button. I know it's weird on these lives, but hit the 3 little dots, hit the like button, throw some emojis in there. Helps get it out in the algorithm a little bit. And subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Also, just so you guys know, links down below to Margex. If you guys are interested in leverage trading, check it out. Links down below to Margex. I've got a Caspa whale trading over there, loving it. There's no KYC. So if you are interested in leverage trading and you understand it, don't do it without understanding it. It's risky, but a lot of people do like to leverage trade. If you do, my Margex link's down below. You're going to get a 20% sign-on bonus right when you get in there. That'll help cover fees on your first trade. And yeah, you have a chance to follow some of the best copy traders over there too. So links down below to Margex if you're interested in that. Also have some other ones down there too. CoinW if you just want to do spot trading. We got Bybit down there. They're an OG, second largest spot trading platform to Binance. Ondo doing great for me, up 75%. What do you think all-time high will be, and what's a good time to take profit? Chris, to me, Ondo is a 12 to 15 month play, right? So if we're thinking the top of this bull cycle is what, Oscar? Somewhere, 2025. Let's just say like, what, October 2025, maybe. Or do you think before then? Where do you think the top of the cycle is? That's hard, but.
Yeah, well, I mean, usually, Q3 is bullish, like Q3, Q4, but now that we have that the Bitcoin halving has passed right now in April. Typically, it's like 6 to 10 months. In those 6 to 10 months, that's where we see
the big moves.
So that's gonna be way before October.
Interesting. Yeah. No, that's a good point. Bitcoin has always doubled 6 months after the halving.
So that's what I'm saying. Like could
May, June, July, August,
early
September,
2025, late 2024, mid 2025.
So like Q4 this year, Q1 next year.
Q1, Q2. Yeah, I mean it's unpredictable as always. That's what we like.
And then a lot of people say, "Oh, it could be a super cycle." Here's the thing with Ondo.
Super cycle.
Have your exit strategies. My first trough that I'm looking to even begin to take profits is a $10 billion market cap. You're talking about one of the largest, right now, second largest to Chainlink in the RWA space. And I could be wrong here, guys, okay? But to me, this is just makes too much sense. You're talking about a company that's under a $2 billion market cap, who is working with JP Morgan, Larry Fink at BlackRock, Anchorage Digital, Polygon, CurveDAO, huge, huge liquid companies in order to create financial instruments, create RWA assets in the finance world, okay? This is big. So Chainlink is the biggest. Ondo's right there. I think they're both undervalued. That's my opinion. So let's see here. They also, guys, Ondo, they have the leading DeFi protocol, which supports tokenized RWAs. It's governed by their own DAO. That's called Flux Finance. Huge opportunity, I think, here. I mean, that's just my take. In the whole RWA space, there's going to be a lot of big winners. TokenFi is another one. If you like something a little smaller market cap, 71 mil. What kind of assets do you suggest for Bitcoin winter? Stable coins. You could always get back into stables, and then, you know, dollar cost average throughout the bear market. A lot of people just store their wealth back into Bitcoin and just let it kind of sit there. I'll tell you, this cycle, which I didn't do enough of last cycle, I'm going to be stabling up a lot of my altcoins. Okay, where I think the top is close, I'm not going to try to time it perfectly, but I've got all my exit strategies, and then I'll sit in stable coins and I'll get back in the bear market. And by that time, I'll find the things that are down the worst that are the best things to enter at that time. The one thing I did too much of back in 2021 is what we call round tripping your bags. I did that with Cardano. I bought it. I could have sold it at $3+ back in late 2021 and bought it back at 25 cents. Instead, I held it and held it and held it. So there's some cryptos like that, you know, it's different with Bitcoin and Ethereum, that those are long-term plays, 10+ years, 20+ years. Everything else, I like to get in and out of a little bit more than I did back in 2021, because things change so fast in the space, right? What was cool in one cycle, what made you money in one cycle might not make you money in the next one. So every crypto is not created equal. You can't just hodl everything forever. You know, I think if you hodl Bitcoin and Ethereum, you'll be okay, right? But that's what we're speculating, you know? Tyson on Shiba. What? On Shibarium? There's a token Tyson on Shibarium? We have not seen a ton of things launch on Shibarium yet. I think that could be a wave.
Damn, that was the only one.
Damn, yeah. That did okay, right?
Mm-hmm, I remember. Lucy's invest. She's always, you know, talking about it.
Lucy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I remember that. Did it kind of die out? DAMN? Or what was it?
Take a look at Lucy's profile. She has it somewhere.
Oh, she has it in there? Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Lucy, Lucy, Lucy.
Yes, yes.
DAM, DAMN. Mm-hmm. Ticker symbol DAM. I kind of want to see that chart. Is it on Binance? No, that ain't right. It's on Shibarium, right? Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, it's down a little bit. 2 months ago. It's doing okay. Still a $2 million market cap. Yeah. I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't touch it. It's a meme coin on Shibarium. It could do okay. I mean, it's way down from its all-time high. But really low volume, so nah, I'll pass. Too many other great plays.
Ooh, Jasmine.
Jasmine pumping?
Yep.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Jasmine's moving. Ondo and Jasmine. Hey, man, we've been talking about those two a lot, and they're moving, baby.
I'm happy, bro.
I should have bought more Jasmine with you 2 days ago. Damn. I converted like another 1,200 into Jasmine yesterday, so that's nice.
Solid, brother.
But
It's
I
exactly
wish
what we need.
I wish I would have freaking went a little bit harder and heavier. Don't forget Caspa. Oh no. I don't even want to tell you guys how much Caspa I hold. It's a lot.
Praise the Lord.
Yes.
Great job. Great
Very
job.
very grateful. But I went in, man. I started stacking Caspa at 4 cents. We'll see. I mean, my average cost is like 7 cents. Where's Caspa right now? 14? Yeah, just under 14. Yeah. I think when Caspa brings smart contracts like Bitcoin's doing too, that's going to be very interesting. Caspa's been quietly moving up though since the beginning of May. Keep in mind, guys, we dipped down below like around 10 cents. And since the beginning of the month, we've slowly but surely just been... Take a look at the charts here. I'll show you. I mean, this is the all chart for Caspa. It hasn't seen a bull run yet, guys. Tell me that doesn't look bullish as hell. No bull run yet. That looks amazing. So, there you go. That's become a bigger position for me than Cardano. And shout out to the trader on Margex for helping me even grow a bigger position in Caspa. I don't know if that person's listening, but appreciate you. Keep trading, my friend. And he's having successful trades too, which is very nice. Bro, I wish I could be trading with $40 million. Can you imagine? On leverage.
They're making the cash.
On leverage. 40 million on leverage. That is crazy, bro. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Margex is nice though because it's no KYC. Let's see. Let's check out some news, guys. What else do we got going on here? Let's see. Shiba Inu warns SHIB holders against investing in celebrity-led crypto projects. Yeah. What do you think about celebrity-led, these meme coins, celebrity-led? What do you think? You touching them? I'm not in any of them.
In any of them too.
Yeah,
I mean, they're gonna pump. They're gonna dump. It's just for those who are down to get those, Vegas-like casino vibes.
Yeah.
I mean, they're gonna make money, but if they are already trained, or not trained, but just seasoned, if they have the guts to swallow all of that volatility and they like to stay, adrenaline rush in Twitter, that's what's gonna make them really, really, really happy. Otherwise, I mean, I'm just staying with some other ones for sure.
Yeah, a lot of people saying Ponzi scheme. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing. They are, like Caitlyn Jenner, like that is just, you're violating security laws like right out in the open.
I don't know what happened with
right?
that.
I mean, I don't know what, yeah. And I'll never have my own token, guy. I don't want that drama that comes with that. And it's just, yeah. Investing, great. I don't want to be an owner of a project. That's just me, man. I mean, I don't want anything that comes with that. Nothing too crazy. Shibarium total value lock hit 93.6 billion. Wait, no, that's not right. 2.42, wait, 93.6 billion SHIB worth 2.42 million locked. Okay, that makes sense. So yeah, there's 2.42 million total value locked in Shibarium. I'm kind of curious to see with, we need to burn tokens. We need that automated burn protocol to go live. We need that to happen for SHIB to really start to ramp up here. That we're still watching for the metaverse too. What's going to happen with the metaverse and how can we integrate the metaverse in gaming? Andy on bass is pumping nice. All right, guys, I need to go make some videos, but appreciate you guys for rocking with us. Appreciate all the new subs, new subscribers. People loving Ondo right now. It is on fire, baby. And Jasmine, too. So Jasmine and Ondo, crushing it. Make sure you guys do subscribe down below. If you guys are new, I'm seeing a lot of new people pop on the stream. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us. Hopefully you got some value. Let us know. Follow me on Twitter too. Links down below for that. Again, check out Marjack's links if you're looking to leverage trade with me over there. Immediate 20% sign-on bonus. Make sure you understand leverage trading before you jump in. And then XT Algo trading indicator. My trading indicator, link down below. 30-day money-back guarantee. Basically a free trial. If you don't like it, full refund after 30 days. You could try it, make money with it, and still get your money back. So links down below for that. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you.